Hi, I managed to fix the overload error. Okay, I replaced the controller board here in the front and the error went away. So that's one less problem. Now these here is where I think the problem still is. These two here go out to the exciter winding. There's normally, when I disconnect this, there's 12 volts DC on these two here. Okay, and when they're disconnected. Okay, so but when I reconnect these two here, okay, and they're in parallel, by the way, when they come out to the exciter winding, the DC voltage across this goes from 12 when there's no wind to 0. Okay, so it's a long time since I've done electronics, but you know, am I right in saying that there's something drawing down the voltage? Okay, that it's not, the DC voltage is not being effective on the exciter winding. And I suppose the other question I have for anyone that's familiar with electronics is, if one of the 3 diodes on the rectifier, the exciter winding, if one of those 3 diodes is fried, would it cause that type of short? Okay, where it goes from 5 to 12. Now when there's wind, it goes a lot higher when these two are connected. You know, 12, 15, 18, it goes right up. But when you connect these two back, you get 0 volts across these two terminals here. 0 volts DC. So I think there's something drawing that DC voltage, and it's not getting a chance then to for the exciter winding to kickstart the actual main winding. I might add that the starter board here, I've actually changed that with another one that I know was working, and this here is some kind of power supply. I've actually changed that also, okay, with another one, and that didn't make any difference.